I'm currently working on some schoolwork, but I wanted to come online and share some information about my nursing program and give some insight on my thoughts about the program. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Jada. I am 23 years old, and I recently started my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing through WGU, which stands for Western Governors University. It is an online university that typically caters towards business, other health-related majors, and IT and education, but they do have a few nursing programs. The program that I'm in is the Bachelor's of Science Pre-Licensure program, which means that I'm not a registered nurse, but I would like to become a registered nurse. And they also have the RN to BSN program, which is if you are licensed as a registered nurse and would like to get your BSN. They do have a few master's programs as well, and they do have a FNP and a psychiatric nurse practitioner program. So this program is typically about 4 years long. For me, I'm coming in with an associate's degree, so that is a 2-year degree, which makes this program that I'm currently in 2.5 years long. I know that there are a lot of people that wonder if you can accelerate the program to make it shorter than 2.5 years long, but you cannot make it any shorter than 2.5 years long if you're coming in with a previous degree, or if you're coming in with previous college coursework, or if you're transferring in credits from Sophia, or I can't remember the other program that there is online that WGU partners with where you can get college credit online. I personally did not do that. I just came in with my degree, and that is the shortest that you can make the program, is 2.5 years long. Even if you are an LPN or an RT or another healthcare related licensed professional, that is the shortest that you can make the program. In total, there are 5 terms, and I can pull up really quick how much the program costs because it does differ depending on how many terms it takes you to get to your BSN. It is term based for the pricing and not per class, it's per term. So it's basically a set price per term, and you can fit in as many classes as you want in the pre-nursing term. In the actual nursing clinical portion of the program, you cannot accelerate, and you have to do the program based off of how many classes are in that term, in that section of the program, if that makes any sense. So I just pulled it up really quick online. The program for the tuition is about $6,000 for the pre-nursing term, and then about $8,000 per term in the clinical term. So that's per 6 months. One term is 6 months. So you can complete as many classes in the pre-nursing term for $6,000 per term. And then in the clinical portion of the program, you do have to kind of wait it out because it's all clinicals. You can't accelerate the clinicals. I'm in my first term. I just finished critical thinking, and I would give it about a 4 out of 5. It was a little bit difficult. I don't know why it was so difficult. I was sitting there overthinking a critical thinking class, which is kind of ironic, but I give it a 4 out of 5. It was a little bit difficult. I'm currently in chemistry. Chemistry is not my strong suit. I haven't taken it since high school, which was about 4 years ago. And so far, I really like the format of the classes, the information that they're giving you, the resources that they're also providing as well is really, really great. I love being able to chat with my professors if I need to, set up a meeting if I want to go over certain topics. They do have cohorts, which are live sessions that you can sit in and talk with the instructors, talk with other students that are also in that class, ask questions, and work through whatever section you want to work through in that course. I do want to mention that this is not an online program. It is not 100% online. It is a hybrid program. So your pre-nursing term is online, but your clinical portion and your labs are in person. This is not an online nursing program. It is a hybrid program. The pre-clinical is pre-nursing term is online, but the clinical portion is in person. You do need to go to clinicals and labs in person. They don't offer this program in every state. On the website, it does provide all of the states that they do provide this program, and you will have to apply for whatever state that you're in, and then apply for the district that you want to apply for as well. So you have to apply for the state, and then you have to apply for the district. So two little things that you have to mark in your application, and they can pretty much put you in clinicals and labs within, I believe it's a 50-mile radius within the district that you're in. If you guys have any questions for me, just leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer them.